everyone, welcome to L3S. In this session, we will discuss quantitative aptitude fractions, which is very important for all type of competitive exam. First, we will discuss what is fraction, then proper, improper and mixed fraction. Then we will discuss equivalent fractions, simplest form of a fraction, like and unlike fractions, comparing of fractions, and finally addition and subtraction of fractions and multiplication and division of fractions. So let's get it started. First, what is fractions? A fraction is a number representing part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects, and the parts have to be equal. So here all the parts must be equal. For example, 7 by 16 is a fraction. Here 7 is a part and 16 is the total. And 7 is called numerator and 16 is called denominator. We must remember this. The bottom part 7, the part will be called numerator, and 16, that is total, and that is called denominator. So here it means we have taken 7 part out of 16 total part. Now let's see these figures. In the first figure, which is a circle, we can see that top half is colored red. So the fraction will be here, the red color fraction will be 1 by 2 because it is divided into two equal parts, and one part is colored red, and that fraction of that part will be 1 by 2. The next, it's a square, it is divided into 4 parts and one part is colored red. So here 4 equal parts, so denominator or total part will be 4. So and the red color is 1 part, so the fraction will be 1 by 4. Next one, it's a circle, it is divided into 3 parts and one part is shaded or colored, so the fraction will be 1 by 3. Next one, it is a triangle, it is divided into 2 equal parts and one part is colored blue, and that part, the fraction of that part will be 1 by 2 because 2 total part and one part is colored blue, so 1 by 2. The next is circle, it is divided into 12 equal parts and top 6 part is colored blue, so fractions will be 6 by 12. Next figure, it's a rectangle and it is divided into 4 parts and one part is colored green color, so fraction of this green color part will be 1 by 4. Next one is a circle, it is divided into 5 parts and one part is colored yellow, so fractions of this color will be 1 by 5. And what is the fraction of non-colored part? That will be 4 by 5 and total will be 5. So next one is a square, it is divided into 4 equal parts and 2 part is colored red and the fraction will be 2 by 4. The next one, a circle divided into 4 equal parts, so total is 4 and denominator, and the colored part is 3, so numerator is 3 and the fraction is 3 by 4. Let's move to next one. Proper, improper and mixed fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is always less than the denominator. Examples, 5 by 7, 21 by 29, 3 by 8, etc. Here we can see in the first example, Numerator is 5, denominator is 7. So numerator is less than denominator. Second one, numerator is 21, denominator is 29. So numerator is less than the denominator. Third one also same. 3 is less than 8. So these kind of fractions are called proper fraction. And the fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator are called improper fractions. Like 8 by 3 where numerator is greater than denominator. Similarly 15 by 8, 23 by 9, etc. Then a mixed fraction has a combination of a whole and a part. Example 2 1:5. It is a whole part is 2, whole is 2, then 1 by 5 is the part, fractional part. Next one is 4, 6 by 7. So here also it is a mix of whole and a part. Now we can here exercise 1, convert mixed fraction as improper fraction. 2 3 by 5, then 5 3 by 7. So we can convert 2 3 by 5 like 2 by 1 plus 3 by 5. Then we take LCM of 1 and 5, we'll get 5. Then we'll make equivalent 1 into 5, 2 into 5. So we'll get in the numerator 5 into 2 plus 3. So we'll get 13 by 5. Similarly, 5 3 by 7. This one will get 5 into 7 plus 3 is equal to by denominator 7. First we have to multiply the whole number into denominator plus numerator by the denominator. So it will be 35 plus 3 by 7, 38 by 7. So we convert this mixed fraction as a improper fraction. So 13 by 5 is a improper fraction and 38 by 7 is a improper fraction. So let's do the next one. Convert improper fraction as mixed fraction. So this is 11 by 5. So what we have to do, 11 we have to divide by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. We just need to divide 11 by 5. So we'll get it 2. We have to write like this. 1 is the remaining, 5 is the divisor, and 2 will get. So 2 1 by 5. This way we have to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Next one is (15 by 4). So 15 we will divide by 4. We'll get 4 3s are 12. 3 will be remaining. So the mixed fraction will be this 3 will come first. 3, then the remaining is 3, then 4. 3 is to 3 by 4. This will be the result. So let's move to next one. Equivalent fractions. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 10 by 20, 15 by 30, etc. are all equivalent fractions because they represent the same part of a whole. 1 by 2, it is a half. Then 2 by 4, if we simplify, we'll get 1 by 2 again. 3 by 6, if we simplify, we'll get 1 by 2. 10 by 20 also same, we will get 1 by 2 if we simplify. To find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, you may multiply both the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. So here 1 by 2 is there, so we have to make the denominator say 6. So we have to multiply it with 3. Then we have to multiply 1 by 2 both numerator and denominator into 3. So we'll get it 3 by 6. Here also similarly this it is shown. To find equivalent fraction, we may divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number also. So here it is 15 by 30. So if we divide 15 numerator by 15 and denominator by 15, we'll get 1 by 2. Let's do one exercise. Find 5 equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. First we will take say 2. 3 into 2. This will be 4 by 6. Next is 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. We should multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. We'll get 6 by 9. One more we'll do 2 into 4, 3 into 4. So next equivalent will be 2 4s are 8 by 12. So similarly we can do 2 more or more. Next is simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be in the simplest form or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. Now here 30 by 50, we can see if we simplify it, say if we divide 30 by 10, we'll get 3. 50 by 10, same number we have to divide numerator and denominator, then we'll get 3 by 5. And 3 and 5 have no common factor except 1. So we can say that 3 by 5 is the simplest form. Reduce the following fraction to simplest form, 48 by 60. So here what we'll get 48 by 60. First we divided by 6, numerator and denominator, we'll get 8 by 10. Then again we divided both numerator and denominator by 2, we'll get 4 by 5. Now 4 and 5 have no common factor except 1. So we can say that fraction 4 by 5 is the simplest form of 48 by 60. So this one already we have done 48 by 60. So like fraction and unlike fraction. Fractions which same denominator are called like fraction. Thus 2 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 8 by 13, etc. are all like fraction. Here denominators are same. And fraction with different denominators are called unlike fraction. Here 2 by 12, 4 by 13, 5 by 17, 8 by 19, etc. are unlike fraction because denominators are 12, 13, 17, 19. They are not the same. They are different, so these are called unlike fractions. Comparing like fractions. In the like fraction, for two fractions with the same denominator, the fraction with greater numerator is greater. So in case of comparing 4 by 5 and 3 by 5, now here we know here denominator are same, so this is a like fraction, and here numerator 4 is greater than numerator 3, so the fraction 4 by 5 is greater than fraction 3 by 5. One example, write this in ascending order: 5 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. Now here we can see it is a like fraction because denominators are 8 and it is same. Now here 7 greater than 5 greater than 3. So ascending order, small will be the first, so smallest will be 3 by 8, then, or we can write like this, then 5 by 8, then 7 by 8. So this will be the ascending order, and descending order will be opposite: 7 by 8, 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. Comparing fractions. Comparing unlike fractions. When we compare two unlike fractions, in this case denominators are different. So we have to first get their equivalent fraction with the denominator, with a denominator which is a common multiple of denominators. First we have to find out the LCM, least common multiple of the denominators for both the fractions. Then we can compare it. So here one example: 4 by 15 and 6 by 20. So here 15 and 20, the LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Okay. So how it is got the LCM 15, 20. So 5 is a common factor here. 5 3 is a 15, 5 4 is a. So LCM is 5 into 3 into 4. So it is, if we multiply, we'll get 60. So this is the LCM of denominator 15 and 20. Now we'll convert this both fraction with denominator 60. So for that, first we have to multiply 15 into 4. So similarly, we have to multiply 4 into 4. So we'll get 16 by 60 for the first one, and second one 6 by 20. So here we can see 20 into 3 and 6 into 3. So we'll get 18 by 60. Now we know 18 by 60 is greater than 16 by 60. So second one is greater than the first one. So 6 by 20 is greater than the 4 by 15. I hope you understand. Let's see exercise. Exercise 1. Rafiq exercise for 3 by 6, 3 by 6. 3 by 6 of an hour, while Rohit exercised 3 by 4 an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? So there are two unlike fraction here, 3 by 6 and 3 by 4. So first we will find out the LCM of 4 by 6. LCM of 4, 6 is equal to 4, 6 will get, we cannot divide anymore, so LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3, it is 12. Now 3 by 6, so we can multiply 2, so we can make it 6 by 12, and here 3 by 4, so we have to multiply 4 with 3, then numerator also same, so 9 by 12. So here we can see 9 by 12 is greater than 6 by 12. So 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 6. So 3 by 4 exercised by Rohit. So Rohit exercise more. So who exercised more? Rohit. This is for the exercise 1. Then we'll go to exercise 2. It is 5 by 15 and 9 by 15. So this is a like fraction, and here we can see 9 is greater than 5. So denominator is same. It is a like fraction. So it will be like this. 9 by 15 is greater than 5 by 15. Next, Ila read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. And Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? So 25 pages of 100 pages. So this fraction will be, if we divide 100 by 25, it will get 4. So 1 by 4. And this is Ila. And Lolita is 2 by 5. So first we have to take LCM. It is unlike fraction. So we have to take 4, 5 LCM. So it is not divisible. So it will get it. LCM will be 4 into 5, 20. So we have to make the denominator 20. So for that 2 by 5 we have to multiply 5 into 4, 2 into 4. So 8 by 20. This is for Lolita. And for Ila, 1 by 4 it is. So we have to multiply by 5. So this will be 5 by 20. So who read less? We can see 5 by 20. 5 is less than 8. So 5 by 20 is less than 5 by 20 is less than 8 by 20. So Ila read less. So who read less? Ila read less in this case. Next is addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fraction. In case of that addition for like fraction, the sum of two more like fraction can be obtained as follows. Added the numerator, retain the denominator because it is same, then write the fraction as a result of step 1, means addition of numerators divided by the same denominator. Say added 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. So what we will do first? 3 plus 2, because 7 is same. 3 plus 2 first we will find out 5. Denominator is 7. Step 3 will be step 1 by step 2, that means 5 by 7. Then subtraction also more or less similar. The difference of two or more like fraction can be obtained as follows. Subtract the smaller numerator from the bigger numerator. Retain the denominator. Step 3. Write the fraction as result of step 1 by result of step 2. Find difference between 3 by 7 and 6 by 7. So first we'll make the bigger one. Here it is 6. So 6 minus 3 will get 3. Then step 2, denominator it will be 7, same. So fraction will be the difference 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 by 7. So this how we'll have to find out. So here, say we do one addition. 4 by 8 plus 5 by 8. What we have to do? First we will find out addition of the numerator. 4 plus 5, 9. And denominator will be same. So it will be very simple, 9 by 8. Similarly, say 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. So here we'll do 3 minus 1, denominator is same, so 2 by 8. It will be like this. We'll go to the next. Addition and subtraction of fractions, unlike fractions. So if we have to add or subtract unlike fractions, we first find equivalent fraction with the same denominator by using LCM and then proceed. So here if we have to find difference between 3 by 4 and 5 by 6, first we will have to find out the LCM of 4 and 6, that is 12. Then we will make equivalent fraction with denominator the LCM. So 3 by 4 will be 9 by 12, 5 by 6 will be 10 by 12, and then we will bigger one, greater one minus the lower one. So 10 by 12 minus 9 by 12, that will be 1 by 12. Difference will be 1 by 12. Another example, Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of ribbon they brought? So total length will be 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Now 2 by 5 equivalent is 8 by 20, 3 by 4 is 15 by 20. So total length of ribbon will be 8 by 20 plus 15 by 20, and it's equal to 8 plus 15, that is 23 by 20. Let's see exercise 1. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? So it will be simply one piece is 7 by totally 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 minus one piece is 1 by 4. So another piece will be 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Now LCM of 8 and 4 will be 8. So we can do directly also here like this way, 7. Now here if we convert this, so we have to do like this. So this will be 2. So the other part will be 5 by 8. Other part will be 5 by 8. Now Naina was given 1 by 1/3 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1 by 1 into 2 by 5 pieces of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. First, this is a mixed fraction, so we have to convert first into improper fraction. So first is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3. So this will be 4 by 3 and 1, sorry, 1, 2 by 5 equal to 1 into 5 plus 2 by 5, 7 by 5. Now we have to take LCM of because we have to add both. Naina was given 1 into 1 by 3 pieces and Nazma 1 to 2 by 5 pieces. So we have to add both. So we have to add 4 by 3 plus 7 by 5. We know LCM of 3 by 3 and 5 is LCM will be 3 5 will be 15. So we have to convert this equivalent fraction 3 into 5, 4 into 5, 20 by 15, and this one will be 5 into 3, 7 into 3, 21 by 15. Now if we added 20 by 15 plus 21 by 15, we'll get 41 by 15, and that will be the answer. Now let's see multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. To multiply a whole number with a proper or improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. Find the product of 3 by 4 and 8. In this case, 3 by 4 into 8. So we have to multiply the whole number into numerator. So that 3 into 8 divided by 4. 24 by 4, that will be 6. And then when multiplication of a fraction by a fraction, in this case numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator, and we can simplify as it will be required. So here example 2 by 8 into 4 by 6. So if we simplify it, we'll get the product 1 by 6. Example, a car runs 16 km using 1 liter petrol. How much distance will it cover? 3 is to 2 by 4 petrol. So 1 liter, how much? 1 liter 16 kilometer. Liter, that means 3 2 by 4 into 16. So first we will convert into improper fraction. That will be 3 into 4 plus 2 by 4 into 16. That's 14 by 4 into 16, and then we simplify it. This will be 4. So this will be 56. So it can go 56 liter. That will be the result. Next one is multiply the following fraction. 5 by 6 into first we will convert this, or we can say 5 by 6 into 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. Now we can simplify it and we'll get 17 by 6, which we can write as a mixed fraction also. If we write mixed fraction, 6 into 12, then 5 by 6, like this way. Okay. Next is division. Division of a whole number by fraction. to divide the whole number by a fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Reciprocal means opposite. If it is 4 by 5, its reciprocal will be 5 by 4. Or reciprocal of 7 will be 1 by 7. So here 7 whole number 7 divided by fraction 4 by 5. So we have to reciprocal the fraction 7. We can write 7 into 5 by 4. So now 7 into 5 by 4. That means 35 by 4. Next case, division of a fraction by a whole number. To divide a fraction by any whole number, multiply that fraction by the reciprocal of that whole number. So 2 by 8 divided by 6. So we can write 2 by 8 into 1 by 6. So we'll get 1 by 24. Division of a fraction by a fraction. To divide a fraction 1 by any fraction 2, multiply that fraction 1 by the reciprocal of fraction 2. So if we have to divide 2 by 8 by 3 by 4, then we have to first reciprocal 3 by 4. That will be 4 by 3. So 2 by 8 into 4 by 3. If we simplify, we'll get 1 by 3. Let's do few exercise. First one, 2 into 1 by 2 is to 3 by 5. So this is mixed fraction, and if we make it improper fraction, we'll get 5 by 2 into, we reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So we'll get 25 by 6. This is the first one. Next exercise. It is 7 by 3 is to 2. So what we have to do, 7 by 3 into reciprocal of 2 will be 1 by 2. So 7 by 6. This will be the answer. Next is 4 is to 8 by 15. So here 4 is the whole number and fraction will be reciprocal. We have to find out 15 by 8. So if we simplify, we will get 15 by 2. Or we can say 1 by 2. Thank you. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this session and it is useful for you. And please like, share, and subscribe L3S. Please keep practicing. Thank you.